Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Sezzle to Wix. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your site dashboard and scroll down to the left hand side and click on settings, and here you'll find this accept payments option, so select this one. And if your business location is incorrect, then you have to correct your business location by clicking on this drop down. And now scroll down and click on see more payment options and search for Sezzle. So here you can see the Sezzle. To connect Sezzle, click on connect, and here we can see the clear instruction to add Sezzle to Wix account. So here we can see a little information section. One is public key and another is private key, and enter your Sezzle credentials in the form below. You received these credentials from Sezzle when your account was approved. Here you have to put your Sezzle account public key and private key, and you will find this key on your Sezzle account. And after putting the credentials, click on connect, and your Sezzle will be connected to your Wix account. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.